5-Minute Mystery by the DSVK family. Do you remember number lines? They work really well to map time, so we can use them to plot the growth of 1, 2, and 3. 1 is easy enough because it completes as soon as it begins. 2 takes time to reach its full potential, waiting for 3 and 4 before becoming 5. 3 takes the most time, waiting through the shift of 4 and 8 before completing in 9. Using a number line makes it much easier to see the complexity and time needed for each number. 1 has 1 count, 2 has 4, and 3 has 7. Altogether, this gives us a grand total of 12 counts. How interesting! Because it takes a cycle of 12 steps to generate the 9 numbers. Now we see those 9 numbers displayed in 12 counts. Why are the numbers doing this? Why is 9 and 12 and 12 and 9? Are we doing fractions now? No, not fractions. Let's do shapes instead. Up until now, we've only talked about the triangle, the balance of 3, but there are way more shapes than just triangles. Everyone knows that. But does everyone know that moving from a triangle to a square creates another triangle? I'm serious, but it will take some math to prove. See, when each exalted number is added together and multiplied by 12, we get the total number of degrees in a triangle. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is 15. Multiply that by 12, and the answer is 180 degrees. Now, 4 comes along and turns the triangle into a rectangle by creating another triangle. So 180 plus 180 gives us a shape with 360 degrees. Whoa, the number 4 is pretty powerful. The same thing happens when we make a pentagon. We add on another triangle, another 180 degrees to the existing 360 degrees to give us 540 degrees. Visually, this becomes challenging because all the pre-existing angles adjust to accommodate the new triangle, not just the neighbor angles. To the pentagon, we add on another 180 degrees and get the hexagon with 720 degrees. Adding another triangle creates a heptagon of a very balanced and beautiful 900 degrees. The octagon is created with 1080 degrees. Add another triangle for the 1260 degrees in the nonagon. Say that one with me, nonagon. And to complete the list of 10, one last triangle makes a decagon with 1440 degrees. What about the circle? It has no sides. Where does it fit in? Because the circle has 360 degrees, it hangs out at 4 with the square. They definitely don't look the same, but they are equal. And the circle is our objective after we reflect the numbers into celestial bodies. 1 is the sun, 2 becomes the moon, 3 becomes Mercury, 4 becomes Venus, 5 is Mars, 6 becomes Jupiter, 7 becomes Saturn, 8 becomes Uranus, and 9 is Neptune. We start with number 1, which includes only the sun. Next is number 2, which includes the moon, Mercury, Venus, and Mars. Lastly is number 3, which includes Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now the circle can be made. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 3, 9. It's true, we didn't use Pluto, but we can. Also, we can fill in the rest of the pattern too. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. This celestial circle actually has a different label for each of its counts. They are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. This circle is called the zodiac, and it's a measure of time, the time it takes for 1, 2, and 3 to reach their full potential. This is the power within the number 4 and how the preceding numbers are able to reach their full potential. Together, they create 15, which is the exalted version of 4. Time to reflect the numbers into letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Oh my, it's O. If we keep following this pattern in the letters, then 5 gets an exalted form too. Whatever number corresponds to the letter U, can an exalted form have an exalted form? Is that like a Saiyan becoming a Super Saiyan or something?